Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to switch browser to default one. So first you should go to the settings application and now just go to the apps and notifications section. Here just tap to the advanced options, and here tap to the default apps. Here we got the our browser app section. Just tap there and now switch the Opera to your default. You can switch the Opera to the default Chrome browser, and if you want, sure, you can switch it to the Opera again. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.